Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For the wet components, have 2 large eggs, ½ a cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil or melted butter ready. Bringing everything to room temperature ensures a smooth, well-combined batter. Now let's get mixing. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. In another bowl, combine the eggs, milk, and oil or butter. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry, stirring gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for a tender cake. It's time to bake. Pour your prepared batter into an 8-inch round baking pan that has been greased and floured. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then carefully transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial for perfect frosting. The best part, frosting and enjoying. Once your cake is completely cool, you can prepare your favorite frosting. A classic buttercream or a tangy cream cheese frosting works wonderfully. Spread an even layer over the top and sides of your cake. Feel free to add sprinkles, fresh berries, or chocolate shavings for decoration. Now, slice into your beautiful creation and share this delightful homemade treat with everyone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.